With drones becoming more affordable and feature-packed, budget-friendly models under $200 are now attracting hobbyists, content creators, and first-time flyers alike. Just as typists and gamers prioritize switch type, build quality, layout, and value, drone buyers look for similar essentials: camera clarity, flight stability, battery life, navigation features, and durability. Product number 1. GPS drone with 2K camera for adults. This GPS drone with 2K camera for adults stands out as one of the most balanced performers in the under $200 market. Designed for beginners and casual flyers alike, its lightweight yet sturdy frame handles breezy conditions while keeping the craft responsive to control inputs. The inclusion of GPS positioning gives this drone a major advantage over non-GPS competitors. Home point return, stable hover, and precise positioning help reduce crashes and make aerial shots smoother. The 2K camera delivers crisp video and detailed images that outperform typical 1080p units in its category. While it doesn't reach true 4K resolution, the enhanced pixel count makes it easier to crop and edit footage without losing clarity. The adjustable gimbal, or tilt if included, allows you to frame shots mid-flight, a huge plus for creative shots and social content. Product number 2. GPS drones with camera for adults 4K. The GPS drones with camera for adults 4K offers exceptional imaging capabilities for budget flyers. True 4K resolution sets this model apart in the under $200 tier, letting users capture ultra-sharp aerial videos and photos. Whether you're recording travel clips, family outings, or scenic sessions, the enhanced detail and color reproduction make every shot stand out. GPS integration dramatically improves flight stability. The drone maintains its position even in mild winds and supports intelligent features like Follow Me, waypoint navigation, and automatic return to home or RTH. These smart functions make piloting easier for beginners while allowing seasoned hobbyists to execute advanced maneuvers with confidence. The controller layout is thoughtfully designed, with ergonomic grips and responsive joysticks that reduce fatigue on longer flights. On-screen telemetry displays battery life, altitude, and GPS signal strength, keeping you informed in real time. Some models also support Wi-Fi connectivity for live camera feeds directly to your smartphone. Product number 3. GPS drone with 4K camera for adults. This GPS drone with a 4K camera is engineered for stability, control, and cinematic video quality, perfect for users who want professional-looking aerial footage but remain within the sub-$200 range. The 4K camera provides crisp detail and wide-angle coverage, while its built-in stabilization minimizes shakiness during turns or light wind conditions. The inclusion of dual positioning systems, GPS, and optical flow makes this drone exceptionally user-friendly. It stays steady during hover and returns automatically if the battery gets low or the signal weakens. Intelligent modes like Follow Me, Circle Flight, and Custom Route let creators capture dynamic movements that would otherwise require pricey equipment. One of its biggest strengths is the robust build quality. The drone's aerodynamic frame and reinforced materials give it better impact resistance compared to typical budget models. Its flight time averages between 20 to 23 minutes, which is generous for the price and suitable for extended practice sessions or long-range exploration. Product number 4. Drone with camera 1080p HD. This 1080p HD camera drone is an excellent option for first-time flyers or casual hobbyists seeking an enjoyable flying experience without the learning curve of advanced GPS models. The 1080p camera produces clear, vibrant pictures suitable for social media or personal use. While not as sharp as 2K or 4K cameras, it offers dependable quality for everyday aerial shots. The drone's lightweight, foldable structure makes it easy to carry around, and its beginner-friendly controls, such as altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key start landing, help users master flying quickly. Optical flow positioning adds stability indoors or at low altitude, ensuring smoother footage even without full GPS support. Battery life generally ranges from 12 to 15 minutes per charge, which is adequate for short flights and simple practice runs. The included spare batteries often extend flight time, making it easier to enjoy a full flying session. Product number 5. Drone with 1080p camera. This drone with 1080p camera stands out for its simplicity, portability, and dependable flight performance, making it a great entry-level option under $200. The drone captures stable 1080p video with decent clarity, suitable for family trips, hobby flying, or learning basic aerial photography. Its wide-angle lens enhances field of view, giving users more flexibility when framing shots. What makes this drone particularly appealing is its user-focused design. Features like gesture control, altitude hold, trajectory flight, and headless mode make flying intuitive even for complete beginners. The mobile app offers real-time transmission, allowing users to preview and record footage directly to their smartphone. The drone is also lightweight and foldable, allowing it to fit into a small backpack or travel pouch. Battery life averages 12 to 16 minutes, typical for non-GPS models in this price range.